Hi, and welcome back to the SAT-2 U.S. History Exam Review. Today we're going to be talking about diplomacy throughout the 1920s and 30s as a prelude to World War II, and then we're going to also talk about the United States mobilization as a result of the attacks on Pearl Harbor. So there were a lot of attempts at disarmament before World War II actually broke out. And let's trace this through a few different conferences that were being held in Europe involving a lot of these nations at the time period, even involving Japan as well. So the Five Power Treaty, also known as the Washington Conference of 1921, included a lot of countries that were big players eventually in World War II. So keep an eye on the US, the UK, France, Italy, and Japan during World War II. All were present at the Five Power Conference. So the nations actually agreed to limit the development of their navies and large warships. However, there was a big weakness to the treaty that was signed because no limitations were stipulated for the size of the land forces for each country, or the size of, or the development of smaller warships. So basically this was sort of a semblance at disarmament, but actually people could still mobilize in other ways. Then the London Naval Conference of 1931 did achieve short-term, wider bans on shipbuilding, but again, we're limited in a lot of ways. Then the World or Geneva Disarmament Conference of 1932 actually did not achieve multilateral disarmament. And at this conference, we can already see a polarization, a split between the desires of France and Germany. And you'll see that in World War II, they once again become pitted against one another. The Kellogg-Briand Pact of 1928 was another attempt at neutrality and disarmament. So this pact renounced aggressive war except in self-defense. So the notion of war as crime against peace was developed during this conference. And then the treaty was actually signed by many countries, including France, Germany, the UK, Italy, and Japan, and this is interesting because they're all going to be pitted against one another during World War II, with France and the UK on one side and the Allied powers, and Germany, Italy, and Japan making up the Axis powers. So it actually proved ineffective because in 1931, just 3 years later, Japan invaded Manchuria, and then in 1935, Italy invaded Abyssinia. So as we can see, they're not respecting their own pact. The Stimson Doctrine was an attempt at repudiating Japan's invasion in Manchuria in 1931. So they had actually come into this